Hello everyone, welcome to CodeChef. Myself Jwala Charasi, and the name of the problem is the coding streak, and the problem code is streak. The coding chef starters 2024. The difficulty rating is cakewalk, and the prerequisite is ad hoc. Let's start with reading the problem statement over here. So guys, the problem says Tan Minati loves solving problems. You are given an array A of size n, where A of I represents the number of problems Tan Minati solved on the ith day. A streak is defined as a sequence of consecutive days where Tan Minati loves solves at least one problem every day. Find the length of the longest streak present among these n days. Input format. The first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. Each test case consists of two lines of input. The first line of each test case contains a single integer n, the size of the array. The next line contains n space separate integers a1, a2 till a of n, where a of I denotes the number of problems solved by Tan Minati on the ith day. Output format. For each test case output on a new line, the length of the longest streak by Tan Minati. Constraint for n lies from 1 to 100, for n lies from 1 to 100, and for t lies from 1 to 100, for a of I lies from 0 to 100. So guys, now let's understand the sample test case on the from the question more precisely over here. So guys, this question is very straightforward. It says that okay, it says Tan Minati loves solving problems. Okay, and we are given an array A of size n, where A of I represents the number of problems Tan Minati solves every day. So a streak is defined as a sequence of consecutive numbers where Tan Minati solves at least one problem every day. So we have to get that longest streak. So consecutive means continuous. Okay. Now let's take the first test case. In the first test case, length of the array 1 is and element is 1. So it has only one element, so only one day, which is the longest streak. So the longest streak length over here is 1. Let's take another test case, which is for the array for length 2, which is 5 and 0. Here it is 5, 0. Okay. So on the first day he solved 1, the other day is he rests. So what is the longest streak? Again, it's 1. So output is 1. So guys, I think the test cases are pretty much clear. Now let's move toward the simple solution. Since n is quite small, a simple nested loop solution is already fast enough here, right? So that is fix L and R, where L, R lies from 1 to n to be the boundaries of the streak, and then check if A of I is greater than 0 for each I lies from L to R. It's also possible to solve the problem in O of n time with the following algorithm. Let cur be a variable denoting the current streak. Iterate I equal to 1 to n in order. Then at index I, if A of I is equals to 0, the current streak ends, set cur equal to 0. If A of I greater than 0, instead the current streak extends by 1. Set cur to cur plus 1. The answer is the maximum value ever reached by cur. So guys, I think the solution is very straightforward, add and rock. Let's move toward the simple C++ code for this question. So guys, this is my simple C++ code for this question. I took the input for all the test cases as well as my array. I initialize cur equal to 0 and answer equal to 0. I'm running a for loop. If A of I equal to 0, cur equal to 0, else cur plus plus. Answer equal to maximum of answer comma cur. And at the last, I will simply print answer. And as you can see that guys, I have got my C++ code right. Now let's move towards my Python code. So guys, this is my simple Python code. Took the input for all the test cases as well as n in my array. I initialize cur and answer equal to 0. I'm running a for loop and checking if A of I equal to 0 and cur equal to 0. Else cur plus equal to 1 and answer equal to maximum of answer comma cur. And at the last, I'm simply printing my answer. And as you can see that guys, I have got my Python code right. So guys, I think the solution, the code and the approach is pretty much clear. Now let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching our videos.